Okay, for this week's activity, we are going to go through the PowerPoint presentation. For Wednesday, we're going to recreate the circle into a actual sphere. So what you're going to go to is create new in Pixlr. You're going to name it circle, and then you're going to change your width and your height to make it a square. So we're going to pick 1920 and 1920 on this one. Go ahead and click create. So over here in the far right-hand side is layers. Layers are like little sandwiches. Think of whatever is on the top is what you're going to see on top of your sandwich, and then whatever is on the bottom is the stuff that starts to get covered up. So always keep a background layer just normal without editing it. So the first object you're going to do is create a new empty layer. This goes right on top of our background layer. So over here in the right-hand side is your fill button. We're going to be using the fill button and this marquee select tool a lot during this exercise. So in order for us to create the background like our picture, we're going to go down to red, and this kind of little color picker kind of goes up and down. We're going to go all the way down to red. We're going to pick our background color, the lightest, and click OK. Then we're going to go to our fill button, fill our background layer. So in order to add another layer onto this, we're going to add another sandwich. You're going to go to your marquee tool, make sure the rectangle is picked first, and you are going to draw just a regular rectangle on this bottom section. This is going to be our ground level. This will kind of be the object where we add our circle. So in this level, we're a little bit darker, so you're going to just drop down your color scheme down to a little middle area. Click OK. Go back to our fill button and fill this little area. Now we're going to add our circle to our piece. You're going to press the plus sign once more, press empty. You're going to go up to your marquee tool. This time we're going to click the ellipse. After you've done your ellipse, go up to select, deselect, so that way this little area wasn't selected anymore. And we're going to draw out our circle. After you have drawn your circle, you're then going to change its color tone. So we're going to drop it down to make it a little bit darker. That way our light will kind of pop up on it. Click OK. Fill your color. And then I want to move my circle to the middle. So for Tuesday's assignment, this is what you're going to turn in, just that you have these little layers and your object already created. So you could either do a screenshot or a file save as a JPEG.